Krate. Whoa, I can't wait to dig into this box. I'm Angela of GrassfedMama, and I'm so glad that you are here checking out this video. Remember to check out the subscription below for different freebies and for your links to get your own Keto Krate and save the most on your box. If you want more tips and recipes for eating keto or staying keto while you're a busy mom, this is the channel for you. So make sure that you like this video and subscribe so that you don't miss an update. So let's dive in. Happy New Year, Happy New You, Happy January, and Happy New Keto Krate. Now, I have some good news and a little bit of bad news. I will start with the bad news first. The bad news is that the Keto Krate for January was so popular, they've already sold out. But I'm gonna do this unboxing to show you some of the different products that you can get in your Keto Krate. And if you haven't subscribed yet, if you subscribe right now, you can save 25% and you can get one of our past most popular Keto Krates, which was the November Keto Krate, which I've already done an unboxing on this channel, and it was one of my favorites. But I want to show you why I love Keto Krate for helping me stay on track with some of the best keto-friendly snacks. I haven't even seen a preview. I'm going to be just as surprised as you while I unbox this month's Keto Krate. And what I love about Keto Krate is it says it right here on the box. It's keto approved, it's gluten-free, it's aspartame-free, and maltitol-free, soy and sucralose conscious. These are all things that I value when I'm looking at products. And so I know that with my Keto Krate, I don't have to worry about the ingredients and I can just enjoy them. And what's super fun is that you get to try new products every single month. And it really does help me stay on track because there's a lot of times that I meal plan and I plan for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But sometimes I get munchy and I get snacky and I want to try new products. I don't want to buy a box of 12 before I've even tried one. And so this way you get to try some of the best keto-friendly products delivered to your house, and it's a great price right now. So you can get that special and get started with one of my favorite Keto Krate boxes. So let's dive in. Open me. Now I'm also drinking some Keto Hot Chocolate. And I drink this a lot. This is something that I drink every single day. And if you're interested in something that you can drink every single day that's also delivered to your house, it is my green superfood powder. This is something that I drink at night. I drink in the afternoon. It gives me superfoods and it's chocolate flavored. So I literally drink it as a hot chocolate. I'll put some heavy whipping cream in it. And it's something that I've been drinking even whenever it's hot. But right now I love hot chocolate. And so anyways, I wanted to tell you what I'm drinking, what's in my cup, and we can get into the box. So right from the start, it says Happy New Year. I always like looking at the different coupons. Usually you can save $20 versus just on the coupons. This is something I actually saw in my grocery store. So this is your Keto Kickstart. I know why this box is so popular and why it sells out is because people start the keto diet and they know that they need help to stay on track. But like I said, you don't have to use this Keto Krate. You can order right now and get one of our most popular ones in November and save 25% off your first order. So it's definitely a good time to start, even though you won't be getting this box. But I'm gonna tell you some of the things that you can expect from Keto Krate. So they always come with a little book. And right now they have recipes. So this is a meal plan. How many days did they give us? This is a 3-day Keto Kickstart. And so they've shown you how different snacks can fit in. These are actually snacks that were in last month's box, I think, because I've tried most of these. The Smart Cake, the Keto Friendly Bar, Blueberry Nut Bar, that was actually really, really good. This is a coconut shrimp recipe, which I already made coconut shrimp with my air fryer, and I've shared that recipe on this channel, and it was really good. So I might look at theirs and see what their recipe is. So something that they're showing with their meal plan is that they include snacks and desserts in their Keto Krate, and I would say that that is true, that there's a lot, I like a lot of the desserts as snacks, but there's a lot of ways that you can fit in, the snacks. Like last month, We got some walnuts, and that's a really good snack. They also have a members only keto shop if you want to restock some of your products, and that's something that I have been interested in. So you can shop in the members only keto shop, or if there's some products that you missed out on that were in previous boxes, which that actually is something that I may be interested in because I've just been a member since October, and shipping is free. That's great. I'm ready to dig in. Are you ready? So this is Keto Zone Perfect, or Zone Perfect Keto. And this bar is a peanut butter pie bar, which that looks amazing. That looks like something that I would love because I love peanut butter and I love chocolate together. And this is 5 bars. So that is pretty amazing that you don't just get 1 bar, because a lot of times with the Keto Krate you just get 1 bar, but this time you get 5 bars. So if you really like it, you can go for seconds. Now someone else, I was watching their channel and they were saying how this nush was like a cookie, and this actually is a salted caramel cookie. And so, and it says it's made with organic flax and organic coconut oil. So that's cool. I love cookies, so that's a win for me. Okay, so here are some more gourmet walnuts. This is garlic parmesan, which walnuts are something that I really like and I don't often buy, especially like flavored walnuts. But I've been interested in maybe trying to do some of my own, in my air fryer. But this sounds delicious with the parmesan and garlic. So especially if you're someone who doesn't want something sweet and you're wanting something a little bit salty, then nuts can get boring if you just eat salted nuts all the time. But whenever they're flavored, it adds a whole new, it's like chips. So that's something I'm interested in. Cocoa break. Okay, this is the second time that I have gotten some nut butter in my Keto Krate. This is actually like a mixed nut. The other ones were macadamia nut, just macadamia nut. But this is a whole bunch of superfood nuts. I hope you can see that. I've never heard of this before. So let me see what it says. Yeah, you always want to kind of shake it up. But this is really good to go on the go, especially if you work outside of your home or you're just busy and you're on the go. This is something that you can throw in your lunch bag. So that's awesome. This is what kind of jerky is this? Beef raised without antibiotics and hormones added. So this is Nick sticks. So some beef jerky, 100% grass-fed beef. That's amazing. Choco Perfection, which I think was our coupon. Yes, so we get a coupon for the Choco Perfection. OMG. And I love dark chocolate. This is my favorite. When I saw this upside down, I cannot believe Duncan Hines has a keto muffin in a mug. Wow, this could be, and it uses allulose. Wow. Well, I am super excited about trying this, especially because there's a lot of times that I want a dessert, and I do have a muffin in a mug that I like to make, but sometimes I don't even want to mix it up. I'm really lazy sometimes, and so this would be great. And like I said, if you're traveling, which we did like a mini vacation during December, we went to a little camp, and I know I shared it on my TikTok. I didn't know if I shared it on here, but I wanted to stay keto friendly, at least because they were serving us meals. So our actual meals, I didn't stay keto friendly. I just tried to stay low carb, but I wanted all my snacks and my drinks and everything else that I brought to be keto friendly. And so it was really a chance for me to bring things from my Keto Krate and also bring a lot of drinks. Like I brought my keto drinks that I usually drink. And it was a lot easier than I thought. I was like, man, this is gonna be a lot harder. But anyway, so things like this that you can have for whenever you're busy and you want something fast, that's amazing. And then it's a name brand. Duncan Hines means that you can probably find it in your grocery store soon. I actually lived in Virginia for 4 years. I think it was 4 years, 4 or 5 years. That's where my second baby was born. So Virginia has a special place in my heart. And these are Virginia peanuts. So these are artesian peanuts from Virginia, and that makes me really happy. And something that I didn't know Virginia was known for their peanuts until I actually lived there. And there was like, there were Virginia stores that like, and I remember going to the mall and there was like a Virginia is for lovers, you know, that's their slogan, store. And they had so many different types of peanut butter and peanut things. And I just didn't even know until I lived there. So anyway, so that's cool. Yay, Virginia. Cool. Okay, now I love electrolytes. This is some new electrolytes. I have never tried these before. I can't wait to try them. And it says you just add to water, into your 16 ounces of water. But something that I really find is whenever I drink electrolytes daily, almost all of the keto flu symptoms go away. So if you haven't tried electrolytes, I really encourage you to do that. And so these are some different flavors that I haven't tried before, so that's gonna be fun. Whoa! I'm pretty sure I've dreamed about these before. So this is white chocolate peanut butter cups. I hope you can see that. I love peanut butter, as I've already said in the first product, and white chocolate peanut butter cups sound like heaven. So this comes with 6 wrapped cups, which means I get all 6 and Adam gets to watch me. But that is a pretty amazing treat for my Keto Krate. Okay, so these are almond flour crackers, and it's fat snacks, which is fun. I have made almond flour crackers before, and I will say it's a lot easier to buy them. So there's a lot of times, these are cheddar. I have made even just cheese crackers. I shared that recipe before on my channel, but I'm not as good about making them every single week. Like, there's some things that I'm really good at making every single week, but crackers are not one of them. So this is definitely something that I like to have, especially if I'm in the mood for just like cheese and crackers, or you have a dip, you know, that you want to eat. There's a lot of dips that I just like a cracker better than eating it with carrots or something else, or, you know, zucchini. So anyways, fat snacks where you can have your cracker in your dip. That's fun. And so it has almond flour, coconut flour, cheddar, and then butter. That's amazing. We've got some fun snacks to try this month. And like I said, you can get your own Keto Krate delivered to your door, and you can save 25%. It can help you stay on track, and it's just fun to try different products every single month. Right now, you will get a past Keto Krate box delivered to your door, and then you will be locked in for your February box. And so it's still an amazing deal, even though you won't be getting this box unless you've already ordered it, because it's sold out, because so many people are interested in keto-friendly snacks in the new year, getting results with keto, and I can't wait to hear your success story. So many great things.